Hey guys, this is Jesh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you a moral story. Okay, so usually these stories are long, so please hang on to your chairs and we'll dive right into it. The story is called The Three Monkeys. Okay, sounds interesting. It had not been raining for months in Rajasthan, India, and the land was parched. The plants, except for the kijiri trees, were dying. All their leaves were gone. The animals were getting worried because their water holes were drying up. They also depended on the kijiri trees for food. One day, Jumbo announced sadly, "Soon there will not be enough water for everyone." Jumbo was an elephant who the other animals recognized as their leader. Wait, what? I thought the lion was the king. Okay, whatever. Let's continue. He told them the bad news at an emergency meeting. "This is the beginning of the drought season. We have to move south to look for water," Jumbo added. Among the animals at the gathering, there were three monkeys, Sari, Pala, and Jan. They did not like the idea of traveling for days in the hot sun to look for water. The three of them preferred to stay back and relax in the cool cave where they had earlier discovered some water in a sump. Oh, yeah, guys, don't worry about the hard words. I will give you the meanings at the end. Of course, they did not tell the other animals of their secret discovery. Every night, in the midst of the darkness, they slipped into the cave to climb down the sump to quench their thirst. "If the other animals find out about the sump, there will not be enough water for us," said Sari selfishly. "So we must be careful not to be seen when we come here," added Pala with a smile. "We can only come here at night," said Jan seriously. "Anyway, they are moving tomorrow." Hmm, only tomorrow. Morning, continued Sari. We do not have to worry about them anymore. We can survive on with the kijiri pods and water here. The other two agreed with him. In fact, they were too lazy to follow Jumbo and the other animals. Meanwhile, Jumbo led his fellow animals, the chinkaras, okay, cheetal deer, goats, cows, camels, etc., up the river. The weather was very hot and dry. All the animals only moved in the morning and at the night when it was cooler during the and only at the night when it was cooler. During the day, they took shelter under some trees or in small caves along the way. The animals only stopped to eat the kijiri leaves to quench their thirst and to fill their stomachs. I don't think so that they can fill their stomachs with that. Okay, so Jumbo and his fellow animals were not much hungry. They did not think much about food. Okay, so that's the reason. After walking for several days, they were sad to come across many carcasses of their fellow animals, such as foxes, cows, jinkaras, etc. Most of them died due to dehydration after they were unable to find drinking water. Some chinkaras and cheetal deers who followed Jumbo also keeled over and died because of exhaustion and dehydration. Some of them just lay down and could not move anymore because they were too tired and weak to get up. Jumbo felt sorry for them, but there was nothing he could do. Back at the cave, the three monkeys, Sari, Pala, and Jan, were quiet, content with their situation at first. They spent most of their time sleeping. The three of them drank the water from the secret sump and ate some kejeri pods and leaves. When they were hungry, they foolishly thought that the water in the sump could last forever. But alas, one morning they noticed that it had become shallow. So they rationed the water and allowed themselves to drink it only once in the morning. Only once in the morning. Okay, I don't think that would be sufficient. Let's see what happened next, guys. The three monkeys were thirsty most at the time. They became agitated and angry easily. The three of them became restless and started to blame each other over petty mistakes. One night, Sari and Jan caught Pala drinking water from the sump. The two of them beat him until he bled. Sari and Pala and Jan often quarreled and fought with each other for no reason at all. The drought was so severe that even the kijiri trees, which were supposed to be drought resistant, began to dry up and die. The sump finally dried up, so the monkeys were left without food or water. They eventually died of thirst. Meanwhile, Jumbo and his friends came to the pond filled with clear water. Some goats, cows, and camels drank to their heart content. When it started to rain again and the drought season was over, they returned to their home. When Jumbo reached the entrance of the cave where the three monkeys stayed, he could smell the stench of their dead bodies. He entered the cave and saw the carcasses of the three monkeys, perplexed and crestfallen. Jumbo wondered why the three monkeys did not follow them. Facts. Drought is a period of unusually dry weather in an area where rainfall is usually present. It is a condition of lack of precipitation for a long period of time. In many underdeveloped countries, many people and animals die due to the lack of water and food. When the drought period is short, about 14 days, it is known as a dry spell, whereas a severe drought may last for years. Moral of the story, guys, obviously this is a moral story, so it has a moral. Being selfish will not benefit you at all. Hard work always wins. Okay, so guys, this is the end of today's moral value stories. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. And guys, if you like this story, please like, share and subscribe my video. I'll see you in the next one.